Understanding harmony and unity in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore two beautiful and powerful concepts in the English language: harmony and unity. These words are not only essential in English but also carry significant meanings that can be applied in various aspects of life. Let's dive in and unravel the depths of these phrases. The word harmony originates from the Greek word harmonia, meaning a combination or agreement of parts that creates a pleasing whole. In music, harmony refers to the congruent arrangement of sounds, but it goes beyond just a musical term. In everyday language, harmony is used to describe a state of agreement or peacefulness among people or in a situation. It implies a balance and a sense of cooperation where different elements come together to form a cohesive and pleasing entity. On the other hand, unity is all about being united or joined as a whole. It comes from the Latin word unitas, which means oneness. Unity can refer to people coming together with shared goals or beliefs, creating a sense of togetherness. It's often used in social and political contexts to denote group solidarity. But unity isn't just about people. It can also describe the cohesiveness in a piece of art, a story, or any other composite whole, where all the parts are working together harmoniously. Now, let's look at how these concepts apply in various contexts. In society, harmony and unity play crucial roles in building a peaceful and cohesive society. They represent the ideals of people living together in mutual respect and understanding, despite their differences. In workplaces, in a team or organizational setting, fostering harmony and unity can lead to more effective collaboration, better understanding, and increased productivity. In personal relationships, these concepts are key to maintaining healthy and supportive relationships. They encourage mutual respect, understanding, and working together towards common goals. It's important to understand the interplay between harmony and unity. While they are distinct concepts, they often go hand in hand. Harmony can be seen as the method or state achieved when different elements work together in a pleasing way. Unity, on the other hand, is the end goal or the state of being one. In many situations, achieving unity requires the presence of harmony. I hope this exploration of harmony and unity has been insightful and enlightening. These concepts, while simple in wording, hold profound meanings and applications in our lives. Whether in music, society, or personal relationships, understanding and striving for harmony and unity can lead to more fulfilling and peaceful experiences. Thank you for watching, and may you find harmony and unity in your own life.